Welcome to our channel. PTC CREO is a comprehensive 3D software, and I will be learning it step by step. Subscribe to my channel and stay updated. First, we need to set up our directory. We can create a folder with any name we choose. We will machine the project in inches or millimeters, which we will use for testing purposes. To begin, we will select a datum point and establish the top view. Select rectangle. Having reviewed the drawing, we will proceed to create our model based on it. Today, we will learn how to construct the model according to the drawing. Modify size according to drawing with center. Next, let's discuss how to create chamfers and radius. This is the initial machining task we'll tackle on our channel. Edit definition and go to the next method of radius and chamfer. Now we start machining, so let's go. Now, we will set the 0 point of our job, also known as the origin. This point will reference the Z, Y, and X axes. This model is a great example of what we are doing, and we encourage everyone to subscribe to our channel, like, and share it. If you're interested in learning CNC programming, you're in the right place. We explore all kinds of machines and programming on this channel, covering updates on various CNC machines, G codes, and M codes. First, we will drill into the job. For drilling, we'll need a basic drill bit. For profile milling, we've selected a 12 mm cutter. Cutter 8 rock is depended upon on our rough stock. Now our program is ready for manufacturing and send to CNC machine. Subscribe my channel for more videos and share with friends. Leave a comments for this video. Thanks for watching.